Welcome to Django 5 Made Easy, a step-by-step guide to web development. In this course, you will master Django core concepts with real-world projects, all while building your skills as a web developer. My name is Jafar Muzayin. I will be leading you through this course with years of experience in software development. My goal is to simplify Django for you and ensure you gain all the skills needed to build modern web applications. Together we will cover everything from the basics to more advanced features. Django is a powerful and a popular web framework used by major companies worldwide. It is scalable, secure, and modern. With Django skills in high demand, you will also open up new job opportunities in the fast-growing web development industry. If you are looking to build production-ready web applications, Django makes it easy to do so. By the end of this course, you will have built a fully functional web applications with features like dynamic content management, forms, and paginations. More importantly, your app will be deployable and scalable, giving you practical skills that you can use in any web project that you undertake. This course is structured into 3 key sections. First, you will set up Django and introduce core concepts. Then we'll move into advanced features like SEO-friendly URL, forms, and more. Finally, we will enhance the app with features like tagging and optimizing the Django admin interface. Step by step, you will progress from beginner to advanced skills. In this course, you will learn Django essential components like models, views, templates, and the URL routing. You will also get comfortable using Django powerful admin interface to manage content easily. We will also cover how to build forms and process data efficiently. By the end, you will have mastered features like pagination and the tags to create robust web applications. This course stands out because of its hands-on approach. You will not just be watching, you will be building real-world applications as you go. Clear step-by-step guidance. You will start with basics and gradually learn to implement more advanced features. You will walk away with the projects you can add to your portfolio and the practical skills that you can apply to real-world development. This is a perfect for a variety of learners. If you are a beginner who wants to learn Django or web development from scratch, this course is for you. If you are an intermediate Python developer looking to expand your web development skills, you will find a value here too. Finally, aspiring developer wanting to create real-world projects will gain the skills needed to build and deploy their own apps. At the end of this course, you will have a fully functional web app built from scratch. You will gain mastery of Django core features, create a reusable project that you can adapt to your own needs. And most importantly, you will have the confidence to build and deploy your own Django applications. To get started, you will need basic Python knowledge. As you know, Python is the core programming language for Django. Familiarity with HTML and CSS will be helpful, but not necessary, as we'll cover everything else you need in the course. Now that you know what this course is all about, it is time to take the next step. Subscribe and start building your own Django skills today. You will create your own web applications and master this powerful framework. Thank you for considering this course. I'm looking forward to guiding you through this Django 5 and helping you master web development. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.